Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and welcome to day 3 of me working on the korshavn sweater and trying to finish it in 7 days, okay? Day 3, and I am like, I feel like I'm on Body Island right now, okay? Because, oh gosh, it's taking forever. You know, people say the bigger the needles, the faster things go. I feel like it's the opposite for me because I feel like I am just slowly moving. I'm moving like a sloth because it takes more effort and energy to get the stitches over bigger needles for me. And it's like this, the thinner the needle, the easier it's like, but the bigger the needle, it's like my stitches have to jump onto the needle. I don't know. And I use more muscles using bigger needles, which slows me down because I'm not trying to injure myself. And it's just like, please. But this is what I have so far. I have like 2.5-ish more sets to do. Almost 3, but I'd say 2.5. And I'm just like, this is my last day, according to my plan, of working on the body. If I do not finish the body today, I will be behind on my progress of me trying to finish this in a week, okay? So, today, I'm gonna knock out some work. Beforehand, it's 10:59 right now. I'm gonna knock out some work that I have to do. And then at 12, my sisters and I are gonna go to a cafe, eat a nice bagel, drink some chai, and get started on this project, okay? Once I start at 12, oh, bro, I'm zooming, okay? I'll take my little breaks here and there, but my focus is literally on this sweater, all right? So let's get the day started. Change of plans. I'm gonna edit later because I thought we were leaving in like an hour. We're leaving now. So I'm gonna go and knit over there with some breakfast. Hello guys, I am out. My sisters are, where are they? Over there. We were sitting over there. I was sitting in the sun, but the sun was burning my face and my back and everything. And I may go back, who knows? But I'm gonna start knitting and yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna start knitting, start getting some stuff done, and then if it gets too cold for me, I'll go back in the sun. But for now, no thank you. I'm on my 2nd ball of mohair and my fourth ball of this one. This combination is literally so perfect. Like, it doesn't even feel like I have mohair in this, which is great. So anyway, I actually need this chair right here. Ah! Yeah, we just finished eating. I have this big old muffin and my chai. I had a sandwich because breakfast was over, apparently, so we couldn't get what we actually wanted, but it's fine. Whatever. You like my necklaces? We have the angel and then love. I love it. Anyway, that's it for now. I've been knitting on and off, and I finished my 3rd set. So I have 2 more full sets. So I just finished a half a set. It is currently 4:19 p.m. I feel like it'll take me another like 3 hours to finish another entire set of the chart, which will take me into later tonight. But listen, tonight I'm gonna actually stay up, okay? I know I said I would stay up the other times and I didn't, but this time I will, okay? So, this is the progress so far. Let me measure it. It should be around 18 centimeters, but let's be sure. Yep, 18 centimeters is where it's at. You can see. And oh my gosh, this is so perfect. This is so perfect. I'm so excited. All right. That's, whew. I want to take a little break, but I'm not going to because I already took a break earlier, like to go and do a bunch of stuff. So I'm just gonna stretch out my hands and get right into it. Actually, I need to go do some stuff for the cats and then I'll come back and start the next chart. I will update again once I'm done with the 2nd set, which will be the 4th chart. I've done 3 out of 5, okay? And I'm just like, oh gosh, please let this be the last day I do the body. I'm so overdoing the body. So overdoing the body. Oh my gosh, the body just feels like forever. And then especially when you're doing it first, okay? It's okay though. It's okay. I'm not gonna dwell on it. I'm making good progress and I'm gonna finish it today, okay? Let's get it. It is 10:02 p.m. I just finished the fourth set. Is it 4? 6, 12, 18, 24. Yes, the fourth set because this is now 24 centimeters long. So I have one more set. I have to do 33 centimeters. So I have one more full set of a chart and then 4 more rounds after that. And then I'll be done with the body. Bro, I'm finishing this tonight. Okay, well, tomorrow morning because it's probably gonna be past midnight by the time I finish this, way past. So anyway, I'm just glad I just have one more set. I got some bulldog, however you pronounce that, noodles, 2 times spicy, but I got the ice cream on the side, the sherbet on the side, okay? It's Wild and Reckless from Baskin Robbins. Not from Baskin Robbins, but Baskin Robbins. I had it at Baskin Robbins first, and then Malika searched for it, and I think it's at Walmart, and so she got it there. But yeah, whew. I need something to wake me up. Malika said these will wake me up because it's so freaking spicy, so I'm like, let's get it, let's eat it. It's currently 11:25 p.m., so I'm taking a break to eat. I cannot do it. I'm tired. I'm so tired. I literally have 6 or 7 more rounds to do, but it is currently 12:45 p.m. and I forgot daylight savings time ended. So technically it would have been 1:45 p.m. So almost 2 a.m., but it's almost 1 a.m. But my body is feeling the almost 2 a.m. and I'm just like, I can't. I'm tired. I'd rather go to bed now and then wake up, finish the 6 or 7 rounds in the morning, and then, you know, start the yoke. Because be doing a chart and knitting while super deliriously tired is not a good combination, okay? Because I might start knitting some pearls and purling some knits that shouldn't be purled or knitted, okay? But I have almost 30 centimeters. I have like 3 more rounds before I will make 30 centimeters, but here's where we are so far into the sweater. This is working up nicely, okay? I'm going based on it being like right at crotch level because that's kind of where I assume the sweater will be at because I haven't even done the yoke yet. Well, obviously, because the yoke would be top down, it would go to my boobs, but bottom up, the body would stop at my boob, under my boobs, you know, and the yoke would start there. So, yeah, it's kind of on track to being a sweater. It's so weird working this up, bottom up. Literally, I have the worst feeling of body island. Like when I first started knitting, I was like, I would never knit bottom up because the body would just feel like forever and I'll feel like I'm getting nowhere. So that's why for 3 years I didn't knit anything bottom up. Listen, this sweater, first of all, when I planned to knit it, I didn't know it was bottom up. So that caught me off guard. But I was like, you know, I haven't knit bottom up before. Let me try it. It's a different construction. I'm going to learn a 3 needle bind off with the shoulders and everything. Cool. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. My sanity is waning. okay? But this is so pretty. So, cat's crying. It's so pretty. So, you know, I guess it's worth it. Well, I'm just ready to get to something small, like the sleeves, the collar, okay? That's all that I have for tonight of day 3. Did I meet my goal of finishing the body in 3 days? No. I didn't meet it by 7 rounds, 6, 7 rounds, but that's okay because I'll finish it tomorrow and then I'll start the yoke. The yoke shouldn't take too long tomorrow, I think. Let me see, because for my plan, I have the yoke at what? 1 day. Yeah, I have the yoke at 1 day. Oh my gosh. I'm looking at this timeline and I'm just like, why did I want to do a 7-day challenge? Why did I want to do that? My sisters and I are looking at each other like, y'all wanted to do this? Like, how the heck did we do the salty days in 7 days? I do not understand. Okay, let me see. Okay. Well, this should be fine. I should be able to finish the yoke. Oh, Lord. There's a lot going on here. Oh my gosh, there's so much. There's so much going on. Oh, there's so much sweater to knit. I can do it. I can do it. I didn't really look at what happens next. So seeing all of this information, I'm like, why did I say I'll do this in 7 days? Okay, anyway, tomorrow, what's tomorrow? Saturday? Well, I guess today, since it's midnight. Saturday, I have to edit videos. I said I would edit videos today, and I didn't because I wanted to get a lot of progress done on this. What to do? Okay, I will edit in the morning. Use that time to edit, and then work on the sweater in the afternoon into the nighttime. Okay, I like that. Anyway, enough rambling from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're watching this and you're knitting on this and you're like, girl, you're trying to knit this in 7 days, insane behavior, I agree. But I'm still gonna try. So, see you guys tomorrow. Good night.